Before we get into the video, I would like to say a huge thank you to Karen from Knit You for buying me a coffee. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you would like to buy me a coffee, there are details below in the description box. As you may be aware, the USA has had changes to their tariffs. And unfortunately, that is affecting the crafting community. I was made aware by Chantel from Fiberific here on YouTube that the Wool Warehouse is going to stop shipping to the US. I know a lot of my US friends purchase yarn from Wool Warehouse, and unfortunately they're not going to be able to anymore. I was reading on their website, and I will put the information on the screen. I read a little bit down from the top of the page, and it said that the rules were going to change on the 29th of August. And they were giving people a heads up so that they could put an order in and get some of their favourite yarn. But their last update was on the 21st of August, and it says they have suspended Royal Mail shipments to the US. I think this is a huge blow to our community, especially the yarn community, whether you're a knitter or a crocheter. Wool Warehouse has some lovely yarns, and I too have personally purchased quite a few things from there. With it being a UK website, it has UK yarn, and in Australia and probably in the US, we can't get all of the UK yarn, so it is nice to be able to purchase from them. I've also noticed some Australian websites that have stopped shipping to the US. I'm just editing the video ready to go onto YouTube, and I've noticed something else online that I think is important, so I thought I would share it with you. So this is on the ABC News website, and it's saying that Australia Post is suspending some forms of shipping to the US, and the development means that goods from other countries will no longer be able to be shipped to the US via Australia, which is a method known as transit shipping. In line with a number of other postal operators, Australia Post has temporarily suspended its transit service to the US and will no longer accept transit items containing goods destined for the US. Yet another hit to the yarn community. This will also be affecting US yarn dyers, because when a yarn dyer purchases yarn from a different country, I know a lot of them purchase yarn from New Zealand and Australia because the merino yarn and the natural fibre yarn is absolutely stunning here. I know it's probably good in America too, but I personally haven't used any American natural fibres, mostly Australian and New Zealand. So if an American yarn dyeing business purchases yarn from overseas, they're going to get stung with a huge fee or tax or duty, whatever you call it where you live, and this price is going to be passed on to the consumer, and depending on how much it is, are the consumers going to pay that price for their favourite yarn? So it's all up in the air at the moment. I don't know if you can hear the fan in the background, but I've just switched it off and it's deciding to cool down. It's the heater because it's winter here in Australia, but the first day of spring will be the 1st of September. It's the 22nd of August at the moment, so spring is not far away. We do have some good news for the yarny community. I watch a lady called Sarah, and she is on YouTube as Crochet Vision. And she's just put a video out that is talking about Michaels has some new yarn. They have demi pearl and posh colours, new posh colours. So that sounds very exciting. I like to watch Sarah. She makes me laugh, and she's always going yarn shopping looking for something to make. And she makes a lot of amigurumis, toys for craft shows and stuff. So I just like to watch her. Like I said, she makes me laugh, so I like watching her. So that's some really exciting news. If you are in the US, you have some new yarn at Michaels, so I think you had better go and check it out. I'm sure it's available online. I will put the link to Sarah's video in the description box. Let me know if this affects you in any way. It may not affect you and you might be lucky, but let me know if it does affect you in any way. And let me know if you've already seen the new coloured yarn out at Michaels, or if you need to go and check it out yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy crochet. Bye.